Pregnancy is a time that's tricky for a lot of women who are used to self-care. There's so much that you're advised not to do in pregnancy that you might have been doing before. And the skin goes through a lot of changes in pregnancy. The hormonal imbalances and changes that come mean some women look radiant and glowing while they're pregnant, and then find after delivery that estrogen effect drops off. Other women find that they develop really bad acne, and the hormonal imbalances can mean that their skin really breaks out and they struggle with it in a way they haven't since they were teenagers. Something a lot of women also notice is that they age a little bit more rapidly during pregnancy, and that's because when we're nourishing a baby inside of ourselves, we're feeding it ahead of ourselves, and our skin and hair is the last bit of our own bodies that we nourish. So when we're feeding a baby, and then all of our vital organs, and then at the very bottom of the list comes our skin and hair, we can notice some accelerated aging compared to normal. It's also exacerbated by the fact that a lot of the ingredients you might normally use, like AHAs, BHAs, retinol, are not advised in pregnancy. Retinol is a form of vitamin A, and even if we're applying it to the skin, some of it is absorbed into the bloodstream, and we know it can have a toxic effect to the baby. BHAs, salicylic acid, having a peel with salicylic acid is actually like taking an aspirin, which is something that's advised against in pregnancy. So it can be very difficult to get good advice about what skincare you can use. Generally speaking, gentle acids like polyhydroxy acids are going to be safe. There are going to be treatments like LED that you can do, which aren't putting anything into the skin but can help to keep your collagen stimulated or to help control the levels of P. acnes. Clinisept Plus can be a great way of rebalancing the microbiome during pregnancy. There's nothing harmful in that would be in any way a problem for your baby. And for anyone looking for some collagen stimulation who's used to using retinol, Bakuchiol could be a great alternative. There are some brilliant products that contain it now, and it's an emerging ingredient that on the studies has been shown to be as effective as retinol, but completely safe during pregnancy and breastfeeding.